Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you the tutorial on how you can find someone on Instagram without knowing their username. So you can start by opening your Instagram apps and then just go to your profile, then click on the three lines icon at the top right corner. And in here, you can just scroll down and here tap on this follow and invite friends, and here you can click on the follow contacts at the top, and you need to allow Instagram to access your contact. Just click on allow access, click on allow again. So now the contact is connected. You can click on follow contacts again at the top, and here you can see some the person on your phone contact who has Instagram. So if you want to follow someone but don't know their username, you can just find it in here, and you can also connect it to your Instagrams, your Facebook, and you can just click on the follow button. Okay, so that's the first way. The second way is you can just go to the explore page, click on the search column, and then just type in the name, for example Maya, for example. Here click on enter, and here you can use the tags or places to find the Maya that you are looking for. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.